Best heavy-duty oxidation remover restores faded surfaces, removes stubborn oxidation, enhances shine, protects finishes, and extends the life of vehicles. My today's video is about top 5 best heavy-duty oxidation remover that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Miguiar's M6732 Marine/RV one-step compound. Miguiar's Marine/RV one-step compound is an excellent solution for restoring fiberglass and gel coat surfaces that have lost their shine over time. Its all-in-one formula effectively removes moderate oxidation, scratches, stains, and stubborn water spots while polishing the surface to a smooth, glossy finish. Instead of using multiple products, this compound cleans, restores, and enhances in a single step, saving both time and effort. One of its standout features is the ability to revive faded colors, bringing boats and RVs back to a rich, vibrant appearance that looks well-maintained and professionally detailed. The finish leaves an impressive shine that helps older surfaces look significantly newer. Its versatility is another major advantage, as it performs equally well when applied by hand, rotary buffer, or dual-action polisher, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. For anyone looking to refresh dull fiberglass and gel coat surfaces with minimal hassle, Miguiar's Marine/RV one-step compound delivers reliable performance, excellent gloss, and long-lasting visual appeal. Now our second product is Turtle Wax 54349 Renew. This heavy-duty oxidation remover offers a fast and convenient way to restore dull, weathered surfaces without requiring specialized equipment or harsh chemicals. It effectively tackles yellowing headlights, paint transfer, light scratches, water spots, swirl marks, bug residue, and other common imperfections, making neglected surfaces look cleaner and brighter in minutes. Its gentle yet effective formula is designed to remove oxidation while preserving clear coats and delicate finishes, giving users confidence when working on valuable vehicles or household items. The product's versatility is another major strength, performing well on paint, glass, chrome, stainless steel, plexiglass, and even marine surfaces, making it a practical all-in-one restoration solution. The single-use packaging adds convenience for quick touch-ups or travel, eliminating the need for messy bottles or extra tools. Simply wipe the affected area with firm pressure and buff with a microfiber towel for noticeable improvement. Overall, this oxidation remover delivers impressive restoration results, easy application, and excellent value for anyone looking to revive faded or lightly damaged surfaces quickly. Our third product is Griot's Garage Wash and Wax for RVs. This 2-in-1 RV wash and wax is an excellent choice for keeping campers, trailers, and boats clean while maintaining a protective finish in a single step. Its advanced formula effortlessly removes dirt, road grime, and environmental residue while depositing a layer of premium carnauba wax that enhances shine and helps preserve the vehicle's appearance. The carnauba-infused solution delivers impressive color depth and clarity, leaving surfaces with a glossy, showroom-quality finish that looks fresh after every wash. Its pH-balanced composition is gentle on existing waxes and protective coatings while helping defend against UV rays, rain, hard water spots, and oxidation, making it ideal for frequent outdoor use. Another standout feature is its highly concentrated formula. Just 1 ounce produces a full gallon of rich, lubricating wash solution that creates scratch-free suds for safe cleaning. Compatible with paint, fiberglass, vinyl, chrome, glass, plastic, rubber, and aluminum, it offers outstanding versatility. Overall, this wash and wax provides an efficient, cost-effective, and reliable way to maintain and protect RVs, campers, trailers, and boats with minimal effort. Now number 4, Poly Glow Boat and RV Restoration Fiberglass Kit. The Poly Glow Boat and RV Restoration Kit is a powerful solution for reviving dull, heavily oxidized fiberglass surfaces and restoring a deep, high-gloss finish. Using a proprietary acrylic polymer formula with UV inhibitors, It goes beyond surface cleaning by penetrating and sealing gel coat, helping restore faded boats, RVs, jet skis, and other fiberglass vehicles to a like-new appearance. Unlike traditional waxes that wear off quickly, this system creates a durable protective barrier that resists sun damage, water intrusion, salt, stains, and oxidation. With proper application of multiple coats, it delivers long-lasting results that can maintain shine for years, significantly reducing the need for frequent re-waxing or polishing. One of its biggest advantages is ease of use. No heavy buffing or professional tools required. The included kit components make the restoration process straightforward, even for beginners. It's versatile enough for both vintage and modern fiberglass surfaces, making it a cost-effective way to extend the life and appearance of marine and RV investments. Overall, Polyglow offers impressive restoration power, durability, and long-term protection in one complete system. And our last choice is Bling Sauce Hot Sauce Premium Hard Water Spot Remover. Boat Bling Hot Sauce is a highly effective hard water spot remover designed for quick and effortless post-water cleanup. It easily breaks down stubborn mineral deposits, light exhaust residue, and water spots that build up after a day on the lake, river, or ocean. The spray-on, wipe-off application makes it extremely convenient, eliminating the need for scrubbing or time-consuming detailing. One of its key strengths is that it cleans without stripping existing wax or protective layers. Instead, it helps preserve and enhance the surface by leaving behind a light wax sealant, contributing to a smooth, glossy, and well-protected finish. The result is a streak-free shine that restores a freshly detailed look in minutes. Its versatility is impressive, working safely on fiberglass, paint, plastic, chrome, stainless steel, and glass, making it suitable for boats, RVs, cars, and more. Easy to use and highly efficient, this product is ideal for regular maintenance, keeping surfaces glossy, clean, and protected between full detailing sessions with minimal effort. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.